you know, uh, try and try until to where you will solve the problem, because this is the problem here. This is the evaporator of the air conditioning unit, and as you can see there, if it's cold, this is expansion, right? So there's a low pressure, and then so because of the low pressure, of course this evaporator system is became cold, and there's a water that filled that drainage system, and then uh, he has hose, and then pipe good as his drainage line. And the problem is there's a clog already, and try only. uh, this is my remedy. This is the one of thing, and then I'll use the vacuum. Going to use the vacuum to push it here, so that to unclog, like the plug in that pipe. Okay? Because there's an angle there that's made the cause of the so now I'm going to put water now. So some water here for testing, because earlier it's really clogged over here. Okay, now I'll try to put water. So no more. Okay, one bottle of water, no more clog. I thank the Lord for that problem solved. Now I'm going to return it back to the connections. The connection, because I remove it from that drainage line. Okay, no more. So no more. Still no more clog. See? No more. No more. Oh, very good. I thank the Lord. Okay, this one slept perfectly. Okay, so try and try only, because the other options I have is, because this one is connected over here, this connection pipe is connected here, and then that's the line is here. Yeah, okay, see this hole there. That hole goes to here, so this one must connect over here. Okay, I'll connect it back. Okay, connect it now, then you can return this, and the other one. Okay, so I will fill this with water. Okay, let's see. So this is the only thing you will check if there's a clog or leaking your ceiling. Yeah, like that only. Okay. Okay, no more leak, no more overflowing the water. Okay, no more. See, earlier overflowing here. Now no more. Okay, water goes down. Okay, because over here elbow going there. There's a lot of elbow. So if in case doesn't work by vacuum, pushing by the vacuum, the vacuum I'm using on the other side. The connection of this vacuum is in the side, but I remove it from there. I put it back. I put it here because this is the blowing of air. So just remove this, push this and pull like that, yeah, like that. So usually this one is not going to revenue is already. So here is it. The other solution, if I didn't solve with this vacuum, my other solution is I have to cut it here. Yeah, somewhere over here I have to cut, then I have to buy, and then I will use some cable to unclog him from here going there, or from there going here, and then from here going here, because this were the too many elbow here. So that's the thing. And then after that I will glue it again with the coupling. That's it. So but now I solve it with the vacuum only. Because now no more problem. So then this one doesn't have problem. In order this to have an axis over here is you just remove two screw here, and then screw over here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. The screw only. You have to remove the screw. After you remove the screw, you can remove the cover. So very simple only. And make sure don't run the unit, so that you will not be disturbed if in case there's leak of water, because the real problem here is overflowing here. The water overflowing here cannot run flowing there to the drainage. Is overflowing going here and then flowing down here. So that's why there's problem in the ceiling and underneath of this the bottom of this building. Thank you for watching. Okay, at least I solved now the problem. Thank the Lord.